Good morning, students. Today we are going to start reading of chapter number 11, Google Drive, from page number 135. Let's know more. To edit an uploaded file online, it is required to convert it to a Google Drive format. So if you want to edit uploaded file online, you firstly need to convert that file to a Google Drive format. This is the steps that are followed to convert it to Google Drive format. Firstly, click on settings icon on top right corner of the web page. You need to select the settings option from the top right corner of the screen. In the settings dialog box, select the checkbox in front of Convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format under the Convert Uploads section and then click on Done. From the settings dialog box, you need to select the checkbox of Convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format under the Convert Uploads section. Convert upload sections, then you need to select the checkbox that is convert uploaded file to Google Docs editor format and then click on Done button. The format of the uploaded file will be changed to the Google Drive format and you can edit the uploaded file online easily. Let's know more. You can easily download a file for offline access. If you want to view the file offline, you can download that file for offline access. To do so, locate and right click the file and select download from the displayed list of options. Firstly, you need to locate that file and then right click on that file and select the download option from the displayed list of options. Your file will be downloaded for offline access. Know the fact, Google Drive was launched on April 24, 2012 and it is a cloud-based storage solution with the help of which you can save files online and access them anywhere from with the help of your smartphone, and it is a safe place where you can upload your file and you can make the necessary changes with the help of the Google suites that provide the Google Docs Office suite. You can make the necessary changes on the file that you had uploaded in the Google Drive. Organizing files and folders. After uploading files, you can organize them in the relevant folders. Google Drive provides you with the facility to create as well as to upload folders. So after you upload your files to the Google Drive, you can organize them in the relevant folders. You can create folders and you can upload the file to the relevant folders afterwards. So it provides you with the facility to create as well as to upload folder. You can even create a folder and you can upload a folder as well as on the Google Drive. Creating a new folder. Following steps are used to create a new folder. Click on the New button. A list of options appears. Select the New Folder option. A small window appears. Specify the name of the folder and click on the Create button. The folder gets created. To create a folder, you need to click on New button. Then from the list of options, click on New Folder. Then a small window will appear. Here you specify the name of folder and then click on Create button. Your folder will be created. Moving a file to a folder. You can move a file to a folder by following the given steps. Click on the file that is to be moved. Click on the More Actions button on the top right corner of the web page. Select the Move to option from the displayed list. Select the folder from the displayed list of folders and click on Move button. The file moves to the particular folder. First of all, click on the file that you want to move and then click on More Actions button. This one that appears on top right corner of the web page, and then select Move to option from the displayed list and select the folder where you want to move your file and then click on Move button. The file moves to a particular folder. Searching a file or folder. Users can store a large number of files on the massive storage capacity that Google provides. So users can store a large number of files on the massive storage capacity that the Google provides. Sometimes it becomes difficult to locate a file among so many files. There are so many files that are stored on Google Drive. So sometimes it becomes difficult to locate a file among so many files. The searching feature of Google Drive enables you to look for a file using keywords that exist within the file or file name. So the searching feature of Google Drive, it enables you to look for a file using the keywords that exist within the file or a file name. So you can also search a file with the help of a keyword. Which keyword? That keyword which exists within the file or a file name. You can search a file using 3 methods. First method is to search a file by name. You can search a file by its name. Click on the search box. Enter the name of the file to be searched. A list of file name appears. Select the required file. The selected file opens. So first method is this. Here you search a file by name. In the search box, enter the name of the file to be searched. Then the list of file name appears. Select the required file and that selected file will opens. Method 2. To search a file using file type. Click on the search box. A list of file types such as PDFs, text documents, spreadsheets, etc. appears. Select the type of file that you are looking for. All the files of the selected type will appear. And you can choose the file that you want to open. This is the second way. Here you need to click on the search box and then from the list of file type options, that is PDFs, text documents, spreadsheets, presentation, photos and images and videos, choose the type and then select the file of that particular type and it will open on the screen. Method 3. To search a file using search options. Click on the search options button located at the right end of the search box. A form appears. Fill in the details on the form to search the required file and click on the search button. The required file appears in the search results pane below the search box. This is the method 3 in which you search a file using search options. Click on the search options button located at the right end of the search box. Then a form will appear. You have to fill in the details such as type, date modified, item name, item type, and then click on the search button. Then the required file will appear in the search results pane below the search box and you can choose the required file and that file will open on the screen. So there are 3 ways of searching a file. First is to search a file by name. Second is to search a file using file type. And third is to search a file using search options. Next is deleting files. Deleting a file from the Google Drive moves it to the trash folder. If you want to delete it permanently, you have to remove it from the trash folder to delete a file. If you delete a file from Google Drive, that file will move to the trash folder. If you want to delete the file permanently, you have to remove it from the trash folder. Following are the steps. First is select the file to be deleted. Click on the remove button present at the top of the window. The file gets removed from the drive and moved to the trash folder. Select the file and then click on remove button that is present on top of the window and the file gets removed from the drive and moved to the trash folder. Now how to delete the file permanently? Firstly, select the trash in the navigation pane. On the left, the trash folder appears. Select the empty trash option from the drop down menu of the trash option. The file will be deleted permanently. Select the trash in the navigation pane on the left. The trash folder will appear. This is the trash folder. and then select the empty trash option from the drop down menu of the trash option, and the file will be deleted permanently from the trash. Firstly, select the trash folder from the navigation pane on the left side. Then the trash folder will appear. Then select the empty trash option from the drop down menu of the trash option. Then the file will be deleted permanently. Restoring a file folder. You can also restore a file or folder from the trash folder in the following way. Now, if a file is deleted by mistake, you can restore it from the trash folder. Open the trash folder, select the file to be restored, and click on the Restore from Trash button on the top right corner of the window. The file will be restored to its original location. Open the trash folder, select the file, and then click on Restore from Trash button on the top right corner of the window. File will be restored to its original location where it is deleted from. Note, if a file is deleted mistakenly, it can be restored instantly. This is done by clicking on Undo option in the pop-up window that appears on deleting the file. If a file is deleted mistakenly, by mistake आपसे कोई file delete हो गई है, you can restore that file instantly by clicking on Undo option in the pop-up window that appears on deleting the file. Next is viewing the files. Google Drive displays your files and folders in two different ways: list view and grid view. Firstly, we will discuss list view. This view displays a list of files and folders along with their application icons and other details such as owner of the file, date when it was last modified, file size, etc. By default, all the files and folders appear in a list. So in a list view, you can view a list of files and folders along with their application icons and other details such as owner of the file, date when it was last modified, and file size, etc. By default, all the files and folder appear in a list view. Second is grid view. The grid view displays the list and files and folders in the form of thumbnails. To use this view, click on the grid view button on the top right corner of the window. So, grid view, it displays the files and folders in the form of a thumbnail. Small thumbnails will be there, and you can choose the file that you want to view from the thumbnails. To use this view, if you want to use the grid view, you can click on the grid view button on the top right corner of the window, and grid view will be used to view the files and folders in Google Drive.